Hey everybody, Jason over here at 154 Marine. Thanks for tuning in to this week's YouTube video. We got a special one for you today. We got an Excel F4 duck boat. It's an 18 footer. Great camo pattern from Excel right here. It's got the 40 horse EFI on it right here. Awesome boat. All you duck hunters out there looking for a great duck boat, this is it. It's a 2026 model. Very spacious inside right here. As you can see up front, we got a seat here, got a seat in the back. All you need to kill them ducks this winter anywhere in the country. So it also comes equipped with a single axle trailer right here. Got a spare tire over here and all that good stuff. So if you're in the market for a duck boat, check it out at 154 Marine here in Perry, Missouri. Give them a call, 573-565-2052, and they'll get you set up. Any more information you need on it. So I really appreciate everybody watching this video. Check them out, 154 Marine, the Excel F4 duck boat. See you all in the next one.